Hi, it's Dr. Michael Winters, Winters Wellness Chiropractic Redefined, and I'm here with fatigue factor number 2. Fatigue factor number 2 involves vitamin B12. Fatigue factor number 1 was Hashimoto's thyroid. Be sure and see that video if you haven't. Now, it's not a surprise to anybody that we need adequate levels of B12 for red blood cell production and nervous system health. But what is a surprise is that most of the time the B12 supplement you're taking is not the best form for you. In fact, it could be creating problems for you. There's 3 types of B12 supplements. B12 supplements are called cobalamins. There's methylcobalamin, that's the cofactor type that gets in your nervous system. There's cyanocobalamin, yes, that has a cyanide molecule attached to it. It's not as dangerous as it sounds, but the body has to take a methyl group from someplace else to convert it to methylcobalamin. And our bodies need these methyl groups in all kinds of chemical processes in the body for detoxification and for making brain chemicals. So we don't want to rob those most of the time if we don't have to. So that's the problem with cyanocobalamin, but that's what's in most of your B12 shots that you're getting at the doctor. So methyl B12 works way better. There's occasions where hydroxycobalamin works good, and that's for people with fibromyalgia and people with multiple chemical sensitivities. It scavenges up a molecule called peroxynitrate that helps increase pain in those people. So for those people we use hydroxycobalamin, but for most people we use methylcobalamin. It's very rare that we would actually use cyanocobalamin. So don't take the wrong B12. Make sure you have your B12 levels checked and make sure you have a good complete blood count so we can look at the numbers of the size and shape of the red blood cells to see if you need B12 also. And there's reflex testing that we can do in our office. But make sure you have adequate B12 levels and make sure you're not taking the wrong B12. That's fatigue factor tip number 2. Winters Wellness Center, Chiropractic Redefined.